In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new category in Outlook. We know that keeping your emails organized can sometimes be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're handling a large volume of messages daily. That's why categorizing your emails is such an efficient way to manage your inbox. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple process of adding a new category to easily sort and find your messages, appointments, and contacts. To begin, let's dive into your Outlook interface. Once you're there, take a look at the toolbar across the top of your screen. It offers a multitude of options to enhance and customize how you use Outlook. Our focus today will be on the Categories option. First, locate this option, which is typically represented by a colorful square icon or a label that says Categorize. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Categorize. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options related to managing your categories. Among these options, you will see one that says All Categories, or something similar, depending on your version of Outlook. Click on this to open a dialog box that lists all the current categories available to you. In this list, you'll notice a button labeled New Category, or simply New. It's your gateway to creating a fully customized category that fits your organization style. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your new category. At this stage, a new form window should appear, prompting you to enter specifics about your new category. The first thing you'll need to do is give your category a name that clearly reflects its purpose. For instance, if you handle a lot of project-based emails, naming your category Project X or January Projects might be useful for instant recognition. After naming your category, the next decision is to select a color. Colors are a great way to visually distinguish one category from another at a glance. So choose one that stands out to you or makes logical sense for organizational purposes. Once you've filled in all the required information, look over your choices to make sure everything is as you want. When satisfied, click OK or Add, depending on what is shown, to save your new category. You'll see this new category added to your list, usually accompanied by the color you chose. As a final note, remember that you can apply categories not just to emails, but to calendar, events, and tasks, which extends the organizational benefits even further across Outlook's suite of tools. By doing this, you're not just making your inbox easier to navigate, you're enhancing your workflow across the board, and there you have it, a newly created category for better management in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.